put it on there.
Today's date is July 29th, 2023, and Mauricio and I are on our way to decommission the El Camino for to fix all of the things that need to be fixed, like the wiring and all that kind of stuff. So we're just leaving the mountains, and I'll just do some updates while we're en route. Okay, we just pulled over to take a stop. We're going to move all this weight up towards the front of the thing because it seems to be bottoming out. So that's kind of what we're doing. We're in, where are we?
Hesperia.
Oh, Hesperia. We're in Hesperia. So we're going to just move all the weight forward and see if that'll improve the scraping that we hear. So I'll be back. Well, we made it to the 58 freeway. We've gone about 75, 80 miles. So we're on our way to Kramer Junction at 395. So anyway, that's the latest update. It's another beautiful day in California. Okay, our first catastrophe on this trip is the hood latch broke, and the hood almost popped up, so we gotta see what we can do to fix that. I'm gonna let that run, turn this off, let the radiator cool off. Let's see what we got going here. Ugh. Anyway, I think this lock broke right here. Yeah, it did. See? You can see it broke right there. So this kind of a hood latch isn't so good. Now I got to figure out something to keep this hood down. I'll be back. Okay, this is how we're going to solve this hood latch problem. This is a piece that broke off of the hood latch. So when I get some new ones, I'll have to find a better solution. So this is why I carry all of this. I got some number 14 wire. I'm going to pull this.
No, the car's having problems.
So I'm going to use this and put it around the bumper, and right that'll get us to Ridgecrest. So that's also why I carry all of this stuff, just in case you have problems. So I'll be back. Well, here we are. We're on 395 headed north out in the Mojave Desert. Okay, we made it. We're in China Lake, and there's the hood latch. George, you should see the new hood latch. And weird eye. So
they really tore it up, didn't they?
yeah, well, I had this. The hood latch broke.
Yeah.
On the road and started lifting up. So I had that was our
here?
Yeah, on the way here. So we made it here. This is where the new home is going to be for the Camino. So I'll do a little bit on that before I close out the video.